Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and we just have a couple quick little, deals today with some cleaning products. And if you're a nerd like me, this Lysol air sanitizer, I am exceptionally curious what this product is about. I love the packaging and a little bit of cheap seventh generation dish soap. Oh, we all love that as well. So we're going to look at this deal two different ways. This first deal you can either do online as a curbside pickup, or you can do it in store. I believe the in-store price is also two for 15. So you're going to throw in two of the Lysol air sanitizing sprays for $15. And yes, that is quite a bit of money for that product. But I'm curious about it just like you guys. Like, is it like a regular disinfectant spray? How do you sanitize air? We're going to load this digital coupon, which is a $3 off air sanitizer. So you'll have the cleanest air ever. Okay, and if you head over to ShopMeum, there's also another $3 back on this exact product. Like this video if you miss the coupons.com app and aren't too fancy about ShopMeum. Gosh, I miss coupons.com. They made that app so easy to just breeze through and type stuff. This one's a little harder to use. And then we're just going to look over on IBOTTA. There's a $3 back for each, and there is no exclusion on mine for the use of coupons with this offer. So we're going to get an extra $6 back because the limit for that is up to 5, and Walgreens is one of the stores. So double, triple check your IBOTTA rebate has it. So two of those Lysols is 15 on the nose. Subtracting the one $3 digital, you're going to pay 12. Make a submission for $3 back from ShopMeum. Make a $6 submission from IBOTTA, making it $3 for the two or $1.50 per spray. And if you're doing this without a booster, like, spend 25, get back 7, yes, you can use some Walgreens cash, so you're really not feeling this one out of pocket. But what a terrific little deal. Now, this next deal, you have to do it as a curbside because there is a coupon code that we're going to use. We're going to throw in one of the 7th generation dish soaps and two of the Lysol air sanitizing sprays for $15. So $18.99 for the three items. For the 7th generation, we're going to load the 75-cent digital. And we also have coupon code for 7th, which is you type in 7th gen, you're going to get $1 off. And yes, this dish soap qualifies. And Fetch Rewards is giving back 2,000 points for the purchase of this one dish soap. I don't have it specifically, but I know other accounts have it. So you're going to have to double, triple check your Fetch account that you have it. And then we're going to load the $3 ShopMeum and the $3 digital for the Lysol as well. So looking at this overall, 75-cent off for 7th generation. The code coming off, and then the $3 for the Lysol. Looking at the overall basket, $15 for the two Lysols, 7th generation for $3.99, $3.75 in digitals melting off, a coupon code of $1 melting off. You're going to pay $14.24 plus your tax. Get $3 back from ShopMeum, $6 back from IBOTTA, $2 back from Fetch, making it $3.24 for the 3 or $1.08 each. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. And remember, you're doing this offer curbside and you need a receipt. So if your store does not print out receipts, you unfortunately can't do this deal, but I think the majority of you can. But $1.08 is what it's about. One last thing I want to talk about before I skedaddle into the big sunset is I made a YouTube short last night about the chloralin and pinealin over at the Dollar General with IBOTTA. And I did get my money back as a Dollar General gift card in the Dollar General app. I guess I opted for that, and that's how I've been getting all of my IBOTTA rebates as these goofy gift cards. And basically, you just give it to the cashier, and he or she scans a barcode, and you'll get that amount off. So I did get my $15 back that way, but I do know that IBOTTA also pulled this rebate within 6 hours after it was live, so that was just kind of bizarre. So if you got it, you got it, but sorry guys, I think this is a dead deal. It might pull up later in the week or something weird, but don't you just love it when IBOTTA does that, where something's there and then it's gone? And IBOTTA Dollar General, the fact that you have to connect the two accounts and you're either going to get money in your IBOTTA account or as a Dollar General gift card, that's also super confusing for a shopper to use. I'm even confused by it. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Get out to Walgreens and get that Lysol. What a deal.